Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a twisting element tulip. For clarity, I use a transparent balloon for modeling size 360. I inflated the balloon with 2.5 pumps, deflated the air a little to reduce the pressure inside the balloon, and tied it into a knot. I push the tail inside the balloon for the entire length of my finger. I grab the knot, pull out my finger and twist 7 times over the knot. Look, the knot is below the twist. This element is called a tulip. The twist is fixed very tightly and held by the pressure of the next bubble. Now I will show you one more way to attach the tulip element. I'm inflating a raspberry modeling balloon sized to 160 with 1 pump. I let the air out a little and tie the balloon into a knot. I push the knot inside, grab the knot with my other hand, twist the tulip 7 times over the knot. Next, I trim the balloon and tie a knot on the knot with the tail of the balloon. These 2 knots, which are now combined, I push inside the tulip for aesthetics. Look, I insert a tulip into a trefoil, and it turns out a beautiful flower. Trained to grow. Thank you for watching us.